When disaster strikes, scammers often take advantage of the chaos and desperation of those affected. Recognizing the signs of a scam and knowing how to protect yourself can save you from losing money and peace of mind. Scammers can be convincing, but here are some red flags to look out for. They claim they don't need to be licensed for the work. They offer you a discount, but only if you sign a contract immediately. They ask you to sign over your insurance check. They demand payment up front or ask you to pay by wire transfer, gift card, or cryptocurrency. They ask you to sign a blank contract. They suggest you borrow money from a lender they know. They claim they can help you qualify for FEMA relief, but for a fee. Now that you know some of the warning signs, let's talk about how to avoid falling victim to disaster relief scams. First, remember, FEMA doesn't charge application fees. If someone asks for money to help you qualify, it's a scam. Don't rely on contractors to tell you what your insurance covers. Never sign your insurance check over to a contractor. Be cautious of contractors who promise immediate repairs or cleanup, but ask for cash up front. Scammers often appear in recovery zones. Before hiring anyone, check reviews, confirm their license and insurance, and get estimates from multiple contractors. Always get a written contract and review it carefully. It should include key details like start and end dates, payment schedule, and contractor information. Watch out for blank spaces. Now, let's talk about payment. Whether you have insurance or not, here's how to protect your finances during the repair process. Down payments should never be 100% upfront. Pay only by credit card or check. Never use wire transfers, gift cards, or cryptocurrency, as these payments are hard to trace and recover. Never make the final payment until the work is complete and you are satisfied. Keep all receipts and invoices for your records. If you need help paying for repairs, consider these options. FEMA's disaster. Home repair assistance can provide grants for necessary repairs. You can call their helpline at 800-621-33362 for more information. The Small Business Administration offers low-interest loans of up to $200,000 to homeowners for repair costs. If considering a personal loan, be cautious about using your home as collateral. Consult an attorney if necessary. If issues arise with a contractor, try to resolve them directly. If that fails, seek help from the Florida State Attorney General, Consumer Protection Office, or legal services. If you believe you've encountered a scam, report it to the Federal Trade Commission at reportfraud.ftc.gov. Your report can help stop scammers and protect others. By staying alert and knowing what to look for, you can protect yourself from disaster relief scams and focus on recovering safely. Thanks for watching, Lady Lake.